Paul, in what way does your system add value to utilities?
Well, Kevin, our customers are interested in increasing efficiency and safety in their facilities, and our systems enable them to address the labor shortage that many of them face, helps them to use their limited human resources to focus on the more challenging and technical issues that only people can solve. And they use our systems to take over some of the redundant or the repetitive, boring inspection routines that all companies have to do to keep their assets working properly. And our machines can do them consistently with high quality, with higher frequency, without ever getting distracted or bored, and frankly, with just higher quality. And again, free up their employees to do more important work. And our systems work well in hazardous areas, in dangerous areas, in unpleasant places where people would rather not work.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, it can be.
And we were chatting earlier, there is a lack of skilled workers. And people say, oh, systems like this are going to take your jobs. It's like, no, that there's no one else to do the job. And as you say, it's freeing up that mundane work so that people can do the interesting stuff and add value.
That's right.
Now, if I may, there are different systems out there in the market. What distinguishes ye from the others?
Sure. A lot of people have seen a lot of different kinds of robots. There's robots with wheels. There are robots with tracks. They all have their place and purpose. But legged robots are special because legged robots can go in areas of rough terrain. Our robots can climb stairs. They can go almost anywhere in an industrial facility that people can go. Our robots are also weatherproof and dustproof, and they can work in wet and dirty conditions. They can work outdoors. They have a large temperature range. And most importantly, they're just highly agile. They can traverse slippery surfaces. Wheeled robots and tracked robots, frankly, they run out of steam sometimes when the going gets rough. And our robots can slog on through snow, mud, all kinds of very challenging environments where other systems just don't cut it.
And obviously you have different sensor packages. What's mounted here is an example, but you have the customer might have different uses, right. Different LiDAR, photogrammetry, infrared, whatever, and you offer a complete suite of sensor technology.
What we have mounted here today is our standard industrial inspection payload. It's comprised of a visual spectrum camera, a thermal camera, an ultrasonic microphone, and a very bright light that allows the robot to collect data even in complete darkness. When the robot is operating autonomously, collecting data for inspection purposes, it can do it under any conditions, even complete darkness. And this is the standard fully integrated configuration of sensors. But we can also add additional sensors, as you alluded to, more sophisticated LiDAR sensors for collecting 3D model data, digital twin data. We also have gas sensing capabilities and other secondary payloads that can be added that work in conjunction with the standard inspection payload.
It's a platform and the configured to the client needs. Now, you mentioned obviously something like this collects a lot of data.
Yeah.
In the energy industry, a lot of people will ask, where does that data go?
Absolutely.
Because there are challenges with where the data can go.
Right.
How do you address that?
Well, this is a data collection tool, and once the data is collected, we have an API that allows the data to be moved into our customers' enterprise systems for asset management, for work management, scheduling repairs if anomalies are found by the robot. And we understand that our customers have systems in place, and our responsibility is to move the data that our systems collect into those existing systems.
Now, given the success you've had and where this has been popping up in the energy industry over the years, what's next?
Well, we are excited about one of our newest developments. We've recently opened our first office in North America. We believe that the United States and Canada are going to be two of the most important markets for our company in coming years. And so we are moving quickly to establish the company and the brand. And we expect to be making steady progress in the next few years, serving oil and gas customers, power and water utility customers, mining customers, customers in the metals industry, and on and on. So that's a big development. But we also expect to continue to improve our products with new features, new sensors that are being integrated, and just increasing value to what we offer our customers.
Well, I've been a fan of what you guys have been at Robotics for a good few years, and keep bumping into ANYmal at various events. So I've seen a lot of the stuff, and people can see it online in terms of what you're doing with substation inspection,
Right.
transmission hall substation inspection, what you're doing with Petronas on offshore rigs. So this isn't a proof of concept. This is out in the real world.
Absolutely.
Doing real work.
We have deployments all around the world in all kinds of challenging environments. And substation inspection, power plant inspection, high voltage facility inspection are really our key strengths in the power industry. And ANYmal is suited perfectly to those challenging environments, especially the outdoor environments that have rugged terrain, all kinds of weather conditions. And our standard inspection payload is perfectly suited to those use cases out of the box.
Well, I know we'll see you again at ADIPEC in a couple of weeks.
That's
the
right.
Oil and Gas
That's
Conference.
right.
So, hey, good stuff. Thanks very much.
My pleasure, Kevin. Thanks.